Welcome to the channel, everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious and tasty and healthy Jamaican cornmeal porridge. If this is the first time you're watching this channel, just let me know you're welcome and I'm happy to have you. Do remember to like, share, subscribe for interesting video and recipes, which I'm going to present to you now. So stay tuned for this video. So to make this lovely cornmeal porridge, I have my orange stainless steel pot on. I'm going to add some water to it. So I'm going to pour some water in it. Water is already boiled, so I need about that amount is okay. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add cinnamon stick in. This is some coconut cream, but it's solid, was in the fridge. Just add it to this. So I'm going to add some milk to it. If you have evaporated milk, you use it, whatever milk you have. If you know what you're doing, it will taste good also. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get some, here I have some Himalaya salt, which is a good healthy salt. So I'm just going to put a pinch in it, about that, of salt. Very healthy salt. So on this side, I have my bowl, and I have my cornmeal. I'm just going to use about half of this with cornmeal. So I'm going to add some water to this. And the reason why I add water to this, if you add it to the hot liquid, it's going to get lumpy on you. So just dissolve it in here like this. And then we're going to add it to the hot liquid. So now we're going to add it to the liquid. Make sure you keep stirring it. Otherwise, it's get lumpy on you. Once it starts to get thickened, if it starts to get too thick on you, just add a bit of water to it, or milk, evaporated milk, whatever you have to use in your house, you can. At this point, I'm going to add some vanilla. Well, some people like it thicker than this, but I don't like it too thick. I like this nice, smooth consistency. I'm going to turn the gas down a little bit. And then I'm going to pop the lid on. So just put your lid on and leave it to cook. Ever so often you have to give it a check. Make sure you have a whisk. You know, I grew up seeing my mom using a spoon, but the whisk do the same job, or even better. And if you don't have any cinnamon stick, you can use cinnamon powder, or you can use pimento leaf. A lot of us might see cornmeal and underestimate cornmeal, but cornmeal helps to improve your cardiovascular health and also help to lower your cholesterol level. It's very healthy. One of the reasons you should consume cornmeal porridge. I'm a porridge person. I love porridge. Just the cornmeal contains 77.5 milligram of magnesium and 20% of phosphorus. So it's very healthy. And for potassium, 175 milligram of potassium, which is 3.5% of your daily intake value. And what I'm going to use to add an extra flavor, I'm going to use some condensed milk in it. You know, you can use whatever you want, but this is part of my recipe. Look how smooth this is. Look at this. That's what you want. At this point, I'm going to try remove the cinnamon stick out because I don't want it. If you leave this too long, it will get bitter. So now I'm going to add one of my favorite spice. This is my favorite spice, nutmeg, fresh grated nutmeg. So I'm just going to get a grater. I kind of like a lot of nutmeg in my porridge. So that's enough. Turn the gas off. So now I'm going to sweeten it. So I have my condensed milk. That should be enough. So now it's ready. So get yourself a bowl. So now the porridge is ready. You know what missing? Let's put him on this. You know, it's a typical thing for a Jamaican to have his bread with his porridge. You know, whatever amount of bread you think you can manage. Look at that. You know, and then you need your spoon. So your spoon is here and you're good to go. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up, like, share, subscribe, leave positive comment. Peace out.